presenting a pre-owned 2008 Toyota Camry. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and a 5-speed shiftable automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 98,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, and power sunroof.